Okay, so this is what I do when I'm bored on a Friday night. I got one of these really cheap master locks. It's mirrored, of course, because of the video. Got the key. No problem. Locked, but whoops. Oh, look what I did. There we go. There, now it's actually locked. And then here's the bitting on the key. No wonder that's so freaking easy. I don't know if you can see that. But, so here's the tools I made. There's my tension wrench. It's just a safety pin. And there's my pick. Paperclip. So we'll see if I can do this again. And I'll see if I can let you guys see it. But yeah, this was, oh, yeah, that broke. So I gotta redo my tension wrench. Okay, my tensioner. Yeah, fuck this. It's all fucked up now. Okay. Give this one more try. Let's see if I can keep it in camera. Got it. Don't let it go. There you go. Easy peasy.